Hello from the city of Adelaide in Australia. I took this footage of our favourite old Mack heavy duty tow truck wrecker. It's a 1978 model made with US and Australian parts. It's made to road train specifications, which means it can tow 120 metric tonne, which means if we have to, we can tow a full road train with 3 full-size trailers. It still gets a bit of use around the city, but it used to be our main truck for the long wrecks and breakdowns in the outback of this state of South Australia, which is larger than Texas. As I say, what we used to do, we used to drive out hundreds of miles to the job. If it was a wreck, we'd winch it back onto its wheels, and then it'd be towed all the way back to one of the cities in Australia where all the big crash repairers are. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later.